Welcome to the 30-Day Vocabulary Challenge, where you'll master 300 words in 30 days. By the end of this challenge, you'll know the 300 most frequently used words in the language, which make up about 65% of the language you'll hear and use on a daily basis. In today's video, we'll teach you 10 new words that you'll get to review at the end of the video. Now, this video is just a small portion of our learning program. To get more lessons, Fluency Fast study tools, and get your language tested, click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account.
Lachen. Laugh. Lachen. Lachen. Laugh. Über ein Bild lachen. Laugh at a picture. Über ein Bild lachen. Lecker. Delicious. Lecker. Lecker. Delicious. Das sieht lecker aus. It looks delicious. Das sieht lecker aus. Wasser. Water. Wasser. Wasser. Water. Die Frau trinkt gerade Wasser. The woman is drinking water. Die Frau trinkt gerade Wasser. Tee. Tea. Tee. Tee. Tea. Tasse Tee. Cup of tea. Tasse Tee. Kaffee. Coffee. Kaffee. Kaffee. Coffee. Tasse Kaffee. Cup of coffee. Tasse Kaffee. Bier. Beer. Bier. Bier. Beer. Dose Bier. Can of beer. Dose Bier. Wein. Wine. Wein. Wein. Wine. Glas Wein. Glass of wine. Glas Wein. Rindfleisch. Beef. Rindfleisch. Rindfleisch. Beef. Rindfleischsteak. Beefsteak. Rindfleischsteak. Hühnchen. Chicken. Hühnchen. Hühnchen. Chicken. Hühnchen oder Fisch? Chicken or fish? Hühnchen oder Fisch? Schweinefleisch. Pork. Schweinefleisch. Schweinefleisch. Pork. Schweinefleisch ist das Fleisch von Schweinen. Pork is the meat from a pig. Schweinefleisch ist das Fleisch von Schweinen. Lachen. Laugh. Lecker. Delicious. Wasser. Water. Tee. Tea. Kaffee. Coffee. Bier. Beer. Wein. Wine. Rindfleisch. Beef. Schweinefleisch. Pork.